Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute Batman. Let's get started. First, we choose black color and the studio pen and inking to draw a quick draft. Now we're gonna draw the Batman's head with 2 ears. Next, let's draw his mask and his 2 eyes and mouth, which looks angry. Now let's draw his body. Basically, it's the same head as his head. Then we draw his legs with his belt and pants. Now we draw his 2 arms. One hand clenched fist, one hand lifts the cape. Now let's add the cape behind his body. After drawing, we can use the selection tool and move tool to adjust his head with his eyes, size, and position a little bit. After that, we can easily adjust the whole draft to better fit the canvas. Now we finished our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. It is easy and straightforward, so I will speed it up a little bit. Now we can add the bat logo on his chest. Finally, let's draw his gloves with some spikes. Okay, now we have all the outlines. We will start to fill colors for the Batman. Create a new layer down below the outline layer, and then change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on a separate layer based on a reference layer. We can just drag and fill our Batman with different colors. But we need to make sure our coloring layer is under the outline layer. Otherwise, the edge of the shape may not fit perfectly. Now give the background a light yellow color. Then add some details for his belt. Now change our outline layer from reference back to normal. Then we can start to add some highlights and shadows on a new layer. Finally, let's add a shadow on the ground. Now we are done for the cute Batman drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!